Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how does Studypool works. And now I'm gonna show you how to save your documents on Studypool. First, get into your website and browser and search Studypool. After getting to it, click Save Documents. These are our top earners. Before getting to it, you have to first sign in. I have already signed in so that it came directly into this page. I'm gonna show you how to upload your files. Now click upload more files. Click the file whatever you want. I'm gonna click like backup recovery file and click open and wait for it to upload. Yeah, it takes some time. After getting uploaded, click OK. Now we can see that docs painting as 7. I have already uploaded 6 files. Now I'm uploading another one file, and it takes time to get approved from Studypool so that docs approved can be changed into the number of approved files. This green signal will be changed. These are the files I have uploaded. It takes some time. Here is my honest review. Does it actually works? Do we get paid for uploading our files? And the answer is maybe. I have already uploaded 30 more files in another account. I still didn't get paid, and it also been a year I have uploaded my file. So that don't get dependent on it. You may give a try in it. Just upload your files. You must upload a qualified file so that it can be uploaded more easily. Yeah, this is my review. I'm not sure you will get paid or not. I didn't get paid till now. So this is my review. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the like button and also share it. Thank you for listening.